Where's Brittany? I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. But she wasn't at the station when I went back for her. It's okay, Luke. We'll find her. Don't worry. Are you sure you want me to go with you? That line is kind of dark and spooky, even at this time at night, Cody. Trust me, Colton. You're the only one I know who is capable of handling things. Besides, Collin says I'm the bravest engine out of everyone else, so that's why I need you to come with me and protect the magic bumper from Diesel 6900. Okay. I believe you. But it's not easy being brave at this time at night. Well, once we find that tunnel to the magic railroad, we have to stand guard. Right. Oh my busted boiler. Look, Buster and Sidney beat us here. Well, now what do we do? I don't know, but don't try to attract any attention. This must be the tunnel the boss is looking for. Are we supposed to go through it? Not me, you. Oh, not me, you. This is a job for the boss. We'll tell him tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow sounds good to me. Quick, Colton. We gotta go back and warn Collin quickly. I'm right behind you. You. I was doing my best to keep Brittany cheerful. I know she was worried about being late for her grandpa. Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset. You know, Brittany, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are. He can? Maybe. Because I've been here with him long ago. If he possibly can remember, Junior will probably grow as weak as I am. Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the magic railroad. And we could find that we can still head back to Shining Time. Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again. I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I heard a train whistle and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain. Mountain? I just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the Millie will smile. But we need more information, Brittany. And I think we might need help from your grandfather. If he can just believe that he could. Millie?